In this video, we will present a new revolutionary feature which dynamically creates floral designs in an automated way. Using the Floral tool, you can start with any shape, for example this polygon, and create a floral fill using any of the available flowers and leaves. You can even use any part of your own designs as flower. Let's see how it works. First, you need to select the shape upon which the floral design will be applied. The color of the shape will be the color of the floral vine. Right-click, expand the area option and select Create Floral. You can also use the respective option from the Convert button in the standard toolbar. The floral library appears. You can select from a list of available leaves and flowers and produce hundreds of floral combinations. Select the flower you want from the flowers list and the leaf you want from the leaves list. Have in mind that the leaf selection is optional. If no leaf is selected, the default one will be used. Click OK to apply the floral design on the shape. The shape will then be filled with a floral design and has the flower and the leaf you selected. You can further edit the floral options from the Properties toolbar. The properties will be described later. In case you want to select another flower or leaf, select the floral, right-click on it and expand the array option or click on the Convert button from the standard toolbar and select the Edit Floral option. The floral library window appears, and from here you can select a different flower and a different leaf. Click OK to apply your selection or cancel to keep the existing floral design. If you have a floral design and you want to replace the flower with your own flower design, select the floral and using the Control key add the new flower part to the selection. Then right-click, expand the array option and select the Add Shapes as Flower option. Now the new flower design will replace the previous one. The software shall automatically make the necessary adjustments to fit the new flower properly. Likewise, you can replace the leaf of a floral design with a design you created by using the Add Shapes as Leaf option. The cursor will change to a cross, waiting for you to set the leaf's starting point and direction. This is important for the correct placement of the leaf on the vine. Click and drag from the starting point of the leaf, aligning it with the stem of the vine. Once you release the mouse, the leaf design will replace the existing leaves and make the necessary adjustments to fit them properly within the shape. The floral design collection is part of the array fill type. Having that in mind, let's see another way to apply floral vine. Select this flower and the polygon, then click on the array type of the fill tab. The array has placed the flower on the polygon in a patterned way. If you go to Array Properties and select Floral Vine Fill Placement, a floral fill is created and the selected flower is used. The floral design will fill the area of your selected shape and produce the following result, which you can further edit if you like. Let's try adjusting the parameters of the floral vine. Using the offset parameter, you can specify the distance between the outline of the shape and the ending of the floral. Using the rotation parameter, you can rotate the flower part. Specify the rotation in degrees and all the flowers will be rotated accordingly. By typing a starting width value, you can specify the starting width of the stem. The default value is 20. Likewise, you can specify the ending width of the stem. The default value is 5. Using the Flip Vine checkbox, you can specify whether you want to flip the vine or not. The levels value specifies the complexity of the floral branches. The default value is 4, which is also the highest value. The length value specifies the length of the branches. Higher values decrease the complexity and vice versa. The default value here is 5. The curvature value specifies the curvature of the branches. Higher values increase the curvature of the branches and vice versa. The default value here is 6. The complexity value specifies the complexity of the branches. Higher values increase the complexity and vice versa. The default value is 3. Using scale value, you can scale the floral vine design. The higher the percentage value, the bigger the branches of the floral vine, and vice versa. Using flower scale, you can scale the flowers of the floral vine design. The higher the percentage, the bigger the size of the flowers, and vice versa. Using leaf scale value, you can scale the leaves of the floral vine design. Again, the higher the percentage, the bigger the size of the leaves, and vice versa. Using the flower position, you can specify whether you want to position the flowers above, below, or at the center of the branches. You can always reset to the default floral vine options. You may also separate all the floral parts into separate objects. By using stitch flow, you can define the starting point of the floral vine. Select the floral and start the stitch flow tool. Now you can define the length of the stem by clicking and dragging.